Fatima Nasser built her mortgage brokerage from a single desk, helping first-time buyers and tired refinancers get into a home, walking each one through the most nerve-wracking application of their life. Like every brokerage, her site had the usual tools bolted on. A pre-qualification form where visitors type their income and their debts, a live chat box, analytics, and a tool that quietly recorded how people moved through the pages. She never once thought about what they were doing. The letter came by email on an ordinary Friday, sitting between a rate update and a client file. Dear Mrs. Nasser, our client visited your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired: a pre-qualification form that copied what visitors typed, their income, their debts, their social security number, to a third party, a live chat box that shared its messages, advertising pixels that handed it all to Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it go away, $39,250 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Fatima did not believe it. It was just a normal broker website like everyone had. So she ran a scan of her own site, and she watched it happen. The moment her application page loaded, before a single visitor clicked accept, 18 trackers fired. And one of them was recording every keystroke on her pre-qualification form. People typing their salary, their credit troubles, their social security number, and a script quietly copying all of it to a stranger's server. She sat back cold. Her entire business was built on being the safe pair of hands for the biggest loan people would ever take. And her own website had been handing their finances to companies she had never heard of every day before anyone said yes. The attorney she called was honest with her. This kind of letter does not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree these cases hold up. It only has to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands because settling is cheaper than defending. $39,250. That was months of closing she had already booked in her head. It was the reserve she kept for the slow season. It was a punch straight to the gut. But sitting there, Fatima realized the panic had a cure. She could see exactly what her site sent and when, the very thing they had scanned. She did not have to guess. She could walk into this knowing what was actually true. Fatima had handed hundreds of families the keys to their first home. And the thing that nearly undid her was invisible, running quietly on her own website every single day. Right up until the moment she finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information.